In this video, I'm going to show you my multi-instrument chart setup. I'll show you all the different kinds of correlation that I'm looking for. I've got a 60-minute micro NASDAQ chart, and then I've got 4 1-minute charts, NQ, ES, YM, and RTY. I'm looking at delta, I'm looking at key levels. I've got the MMT Ultimate Heiken Ashi painting the candles. The background colors are following cumulative delta. I've been doing a little Asian session trading, stacking up some micros. We got a pretty decent pullback here after this very large move to the downside earlier today. So I've been taking shorts up in this area. Just logged into the afternoon session. It's a little bit after 2. Looks like I missed an exciting morning. Up a couple hundred points, down a couple hundred points, up a few hundred points. Looks like the CPI news gave the green light for a rate cut. I got 11 hours of sleep, finally caught up, but I'm still a little bit bummed that I missed this. Now I'm just logging into this chop. We're high in the sky above all the key levels. Could do a Fibonacci extension here. I'll go from yesterday's close. Don't want to go to R2 or the high of this candle. I'm going to go for R2. So here we got some Fibonacci extension levels. Just grabbed a short for 6 points. We had point of control open to the wick on the ES, point of control open to the wick on the YM, and some divergence on the RTY. Then on this candle, negative delta coming in on the NQ, and also on the ES and the YM and RTY. We're drifting off a little bit. Grabbed a short looking to retest the 20 area. I got into another short a few minutes ago. We had a nice close below the 20 on the ES, nice close below the 20 on the YM. Started heading below the R2 pivot. Seemed like it was a good trade, but it just kept lingering here right around the 20 for 5 minutes or so, and I ended up just getting out for a point or two. Didn't want to hold on in case it popped up at 230. Just turned 230. Looks like it's coming down further. We had some divergence building up on the YM too. Spooked me out of it. I get into my trades, then I try to stay in until it gets my take profit, or if I see some shifting market sentiment, I'll just get out early. Would have got my full target there if I would have waited another couple minutes, but could have just as easily popped up at 2:30. I like paying attention to a couple different times during the day, every half hour and every hour. So 2 o'clock, 2:30, 3, 3:30, 11, 11:30, 12, 12:30, etc., etc. I always watch out for potential extra movement around those times. Glad I got out there. It's bouncing back up. We pulled down right to the 250 SMA on the YM. Just bounced up 15 ticks right off the 250 on the YM here. This is the same chart setup on all my 1-minute charts for the NQ, ES, YM, and RTY. I can make everything smoother and have less color changes, but I pretty much only take scalp trades, so I'm looking for quick movements. And I'm not just taking signals because they appear on my chart. I'm factoring in a lot of different things. Factoring price action on the candles, key levels, support and resistance, volume, delta, time of day, a lot of different factors. This price action is just painful. Just completely going sideways on the NQ. Getting a little better moves on the YM and the RTY. Had some divergence back here on the YM. Point of control drawn down into this big wick. Nice little pop up there. Broke above the 20 SMA. The bunch of delta here on the RTY. Nice move up. Getting close to the 350 algorithm here. We had point of control drawn up into the wick on this candle. Then we had Heiken Ashi turning bearish. Cumulative delta turning bearish. Same on the ES. Hopped in one last short here. Gonna be done for the day. Up 60 to 70 bucks on the accounts. There are links to all the MMT indicators in the description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is absolutely amazing. Thanks so much for the support. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.